journey of business environment. Business environment is 8% of the exam. Almost 12 to 13 questions will come in PMP exam. If you will master this journey, then you will be able to clear all the PMP questions that are relevant to the business environment. And then people domain, that are the 42% of the exam, and process domain that is the 50% of the exam. Business environment is environment which project works, how to get the value and deliver to the customer. Some organizations are working and that organization give us strategy. Organization strategy. That organization transfer a strategy to portfolio, and portfolio decide how many projects and programs will produce. Programs and projects will produce, and they deliver the value to the operation. Operation realize the benefit. Program and projects also realize the benefit, but actually they are transferring to the operation, and operation measure those organization strategies and come to the organization and ask from organization, we plan to do this, but we are doing this. Then organization transfer to portfolio, and portfolio do more program and projects. This cycle move on this way. This is the basic thing, how organization work and how benefit will be transferred and how get the value. And what is projects? Project is a temporary endeavor. It should have start and end date. And what is operation? Operation is a permanent activity that is going on daily basis, and how interconnected operation and projects. For example, project start, when it complete it will operation, then operation start, and maybe something happen during an operation and again project start, and this so on. Operation and projects are overlap with each other, or they are interconnected with each other. And then program is a collection of related projects. Program is a collection of related project. For example, Russia send the people in the space, they will design the capsule, they also sending the capsule, and also they design the rocket, and they will sending also there is project, designing also there is project, and communication also project. These all projects combine and we make a one program. And portfolio, in portfolio there is program, project, sub portfolio comes under the portfolio. And how we make a car for the project, and when project complete we transfer to the operation, and then they will do making a car on daily basis. When organization work, it does not work in vacuum. There is two influences of the organization, OPA and EEF. Organization, process, assets, procedure, policies, tools and templates, and those lesson learn also include in the OPA. And in lesson learn there is tacit knowledge, expressive knowledge also included in the lesson learn. And enterprise environmental factor, those are internal or external, but mostly that are not under control of the team. For example, they hire resources and the rate of resources, and they will get the work permit to start the work, or they will get the work permit from the organization, from the HSE department, and then they will start the work. That is enterprise environmental factor, internal and external, how to get the work permit from the government to start the work. That is enterprise environmental factor. Then business need exist, business need exist. Then business case, cost benefit analysis or cost justification, that is the business case. And then payback period. What is payback period? Payback period, how much time it should take to get our investment back. For example, there is one project where we are spending $100 million, and how much year or month it will take to get our investment back. Or there is two project A and project B, and we will get our investment back from project A is 2 year and project B is 4 year. We will select this project A because when we will get our investment early, that project is better, and we will go for project A because it will give us our money back, our investment back within 2 years. That is better. Lowest the payback period, that is the better for the project. And ROI, return on investment. Higher the return on investment, the better for our the project. Benefit to cost, how much benefit are there and how much cost. If higher the benefit, that is better for the project. And also cost to benefit, reverse of this, that is same thing, not so much difference. Then present value, PV, present value. What is the value of something today, and future value? What is the value of something in future, and how to interrelate 1 plus interest rate into number of year. We'll calculate according to this formula. And there is IRR, internal rate of return, that is higher the internal rate of return, that is a better for us. And NPV, net present value, how much we are spending the money and how much uh, cost coming in and cost going out, that is the net present value, how much expense and how much we are getting the money from there. That is higher the net present value, that is the better for the project. And lowest the payback period, that is the better for our project. And higher ROI, return of investment, higher IRR or NPV, that is higher for that project, that is the better for us. Then net promoter score. Net promoter score, basically we are measuring the customer satisfaction by the net promoter score. We will take one scale, for example 1 to 10, how much you are satisfied from my journey video, how much you are learning from my journey video, and after that how much you are clearing the PMP exam after watching my journey videos. If 1 to 6, then you are not happy with that. If 6, 7 to 8, okay, you are satisfied, but you are not conveying to others. And 9 to 10, you are very happy with my journeys videos and you are also conveying to others. And then A/B testing. What is A/B testing? We have two product and show to the customer, and we want to see which product customer likes more. For example, I have a two marker, and which marker you like more, A or B. This is the basis of A/B testing. We show the one product or two product to the customer and check how much which product customer like more, which product customer like more. or one product we will show to the customer in different area and check the customer satisfaction or how much customer likes that product. And this is all about these things. And next is governance, governance system or governance structure. Governance system or governance structure. All the work we are doing inside the project that comes under the governance system. All the work that we are doing inside the project that's come under the governance system or governance structure. For example, how much quality is doing, or which standard we are using in the quality, or we are how much cost in relevant to the cost, or what is going on in the procurement or risk. All these things come under the governance system. And then phase end. What is phase end? Phase end is the logical steps of the project. Phase end is the logical step of the project. For example, business need, after completion of business need, teams sit together and they decide we should move ahead or not. Phase end. Then business case and benefit management plan. There is phase end. Teams sit together and decide we should move ahead or not. Then project charter and stakeholder register. Phase gate. Then project management plan and so on. For phase gate there is phase end, there are different names. Phase end, phase gate, phase review, kill point, stage gate, stage reviews. There is so many names of this. And then compliance. This is new topic and you would not find in any PMP book or especially in RITA. This is first we should find the compliance and put into the risk register, and we monitor same like way as we monitor the risk. And compliance always consider a threat. Always consider PMI, always consider a negative, not a consider as opportunity. Then we will go for structure, organizational structure. Some organization are projectized and some are functional. That organization they are doing only the project, that consider projectized organization. One organization make a project, they hire people temporary when end the project and end of the company. And some organization that are more of a operational side, that is called functional organization. And there is matrix organization. There is matrix organization. Projectized and functional organization come under the matrix organization, and there is three types of matrix organization: strong matrix, medium and weak matrix. When authority more lies on a project manager, that is strong matrix, and when authority more lies on a functional manager, that is weak matrix. And when balance, we need a working agreement, we settle in between, that is the balance matrix. And there is composite matrix and a hybrid matrix. And then we'll go for the another things that are after organizational matrix. We'll go for change control board. What is change control board? Any change that happen inside the project, that should be controlled by the change control board. For that purpose, you should watch my journey of change request in predictive environment or journey in change request in the agile environment. You should watch that my journey, and then you can understand very easily. And when change happen in product, that is managed by the configuration management plan. Then it managed by the configuration management system. When change comes in product, or when product will change from one version to another version. That should be controlled by the configuration management system. And then after configuration, we discuss all these things, and then we will go after that a lesson learn. How lesson learn? We will get in the predictive environment. Throughout the project, we are getting lesson learn and we are writing lesson learn. This is misconception. Some people told that they are collecting the lesson learned at the end of the project. That is misconception. We throughout we are getting the lesson learned and we are writing the lesson learned, and at the end we will finalize and we will put all the lesson learned in the lesson learned register, and then at the end we will put that in the lesson learned repository. In agile there is sprint retrospective or iteration retrospective. We will get lesson learned and we will apply in the next sprint. And at the end of the agile project there is agile lesson learned, there is agile retrospective, and we will get lesson learned and we will put that lesson learned in also in the lesson learned repository, and we will use in the future. And we will improve through the we are without spending the money. We will use Kaizen to improve our organization structure, organization things, and we will use plan, do, study, act, or plan, do, check, act. Without putting the money, we will improve. This is all about journey of business environment. I have more than 25 years of experience in project management, and if you want to become a certified PMP within minimum possible time, then I have a two program for that. First one is one-on-one session, and it should be customized according to your requirements. It's mean it will start anytime. If you want to do today or tomorrow, I am available for one-on-one session, and fee for one-on-one session is comparatively very less. And I have batch session, and next batch will start in the mid of the February, and the fee for batch session is also less. So you should join any one session as suits you. Thanks for watching this video. See you there. Live with passion. Bye bye and take care.